Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q3 key fob battery. First, gather your essential tools and the new battery you will need for this simple task. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery ready. A small flathead screwdriver will also be necessary to carefully open the key fob. Having a clear, well-lit area will make the process much easier. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for the small release button located on the side of your key fob. Press this button and then slide out the emergency key blade. This action will reveal a small slot where the key blade was housed. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot to begin prying the two halves apart. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Pay close attention to how the old battery was oriented, noting which side was facing up. This is crucial for correct installation. Now, carefully insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, making sure they fit together perfectly. Press them firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test all the functions of your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.